What are the best roofing apps in 2026? Start with FieldCamp as the operating hub. Use Roofr or Hover for roof measurements, CompanyCam for organized photo proof, My ABC Supply for material ordering, QuickBooks Online for accounting, and add separate safety and weather tools that match your region and company policy. You don't need 16 random apps. You need 7 business jobs covered with one clear system of record. What apps does a roofing contractor actually need? A roofer needs lead and customer management, roof measurement, estimating and proposal, photo documentation, scheduling and field execution, material ordering, and accounting. Safety and weather information must also be available to the team, but those tools should support your documented safety program rather than replace training, supervision, or official guidance. Which roofing app should be the operating hub? FieldCamp is my pick. It connects clients, properties, requests, estimates, approval, deposits, job, visits, teams, purchase orders, forms, labor, and material logs, invoices, payments, and reporting. Custom objects can represent roof sections, inspections, claims, warranties, or projects. Scheduling tools can suggest qualified people and time slots using skills, availability, travel, workload, capacity, and customer windows, with a human making the final decision. FieldCamp also supports roof measurement integrations through its REST API, signed webhooks, custom objects, and enterprise custom integrations. A Roofr, Hover, EagleView, QuickMeasure, or other provider workflow can deliver the report and approve quantities into the property, estimate, proposal, job, purchase order, schedule, cost, and invoice process. That gives you the same measurement to proposal result people associate with roofing specialists and then adds the wider operating system. What is the best roof measurement app? Roofr is the straightforward retail specialist when you want measurement reports tied closely to proposals, signatures, ordering, invoicing, and job costing. Hover is the first tool I would test when you need a detailed 3D exterior model, measurements beyond the roof, visualization, or multiple export formats. EagleView is another strong report input when your existing partners or process expect its several measurement format. Pick one primary provider, define a backup, and make both fit the same operating record. What is the best roofing photo app? CompanyCam is the specialist pick for photo documentation. Its roofing material emphasizes project-based cloud photos, time and location context, labels, checklists, reports, sharing, and real-time office visibility. The app earns its place when every required photo lands against the correct project and the customer, estimator, production manager, and warranty team can find it later. If photos still live in personal camera rolls, the process is not finished. What is the best roofing supplier app? My ABC Supply is a strong choice for contractors buying from ABC Supply. Its current page describes 24-hour ordering, preferred pricing through integration partners, measurement connections with EagleView, GAF, QuickMeasure, Hover, and Roofr, delivery tracking, delivery photos, statements, payments, returns, and mobile access. Your supplier app should not become a second job management system. Push the approved quantities into the order, then preserve the order and deliver status against the job. For accounting, QuickBooks Online remains a practical endpoint for many small and mid-sized roofing contractors. Its mobile workflow supports estimates, invoices, payments, and customer signatures, while its accounting system handles the books. But accounting software should not be the production board. Let FieldCamp manage the operational truth and sync the financial result to accounting, with a bookkeeper or accountant defining the correct chart of accounts and job cost process. How many roofing apps are too many? You have too many when the same customer, address, scope, quantity, schedule, or cost must be entered more than once. Every app should have one owner and one job. The measurement app creates approved quantities, CompanyCam owns structured photo proof, the supplier app handles the order, QuickBooks owns the general ledger, FieldCamp owns the customer, property, workflow, schedule, field execution, and job level operating record. Roofing apps should integrate around a single property or job identifier, map every important field, subscribe to status changes, keep the original report or document, and define what happens when a sync fails. FieldCamp's API and signed webhooks make this architecture possible. Start with the most expensive manual handoff, usually measurement into estimate or sign proposal into production, and build outward from there. Here's the stack I would deploy. FieldCamp is the operating hub. Roofr or Hover handles measurement. CompanyCam handles photo proof. My ABC Supply handles supplier ordering when ABC is your supplier. QuickBooks Online handles accounting. App 6 is the safety reference or reporting tool approved for your crews, and app 7 is your trusted weather and lighting alert tool. This stack is shorter than the giant app lists, but it gives every tool a clear purpose and keeps FieldCamp as the source that connects the whole job. Do not buy all 7 on day 1. Map your current workflow, fix the first broken handoff, and require every new app to remove duplicate work. Be safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.